wagging our tail, it means it's cabinet tour time. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Okay, we're gonna show you around. It's a small kitchen, but mighty. Small but mighty, right? Just like Penny. We only have 4 base cabinets along this back wall, but we maximize the heck out of them. We have secret drawers, and I'm just gonna kind of throw everything open and show you what's where and what works for us. So this drawer is right by this door. This is the door we go out with the dog. We take the leash and the poop bag, so it makes sense for them to be right here. Things like the keys, the wallet, and the rest is just junk drawer stuff in here. Stuff that's helpful to have right as you're heading out the door. This is tools. Tools have always been in our kitchen. I know that's unusual, but it's just what works for us. We have always done it that way. I think even in our very first house 15 years ago, we had tools in the kitchen. This is for lunches, making lunches, storing lunch boxes, holding, like containing things for lunches, but also like leftovers. All that's in here. Oh, and we have this little secret drawer, and that's like where the Pyrex stuff lives. So it's sort of like food prep, food storage, and lunches, and then the rest is like non-food stuff in these two. Over here, we've got the basic upper cabinet I think almost everyone has, with like plates and mugs and mixing bowls and all the stuff. We also have stuff right here that we use to set the table. So like bowls for cereal. These are plates and bowls for the pool, and drinking glasses. A bunch are in the dishwasher. We have way more than that. So if you're like, wait, but where are your glass cups? They're just out on the open storage. But we also have stuff in here. The top 2 shelves are more like decor stuff. They're like my pretty things. Like if we're having a fancy meal and I'm doing tacos, I might use these bowls for like all the toppings. I've got vases and stuff up there, cute like lemonade glasses, stuff like that. So now we'll move to what I think is like the most traditional use of the kitchen, just under the sink. Don't most of us just have the same stuff? I feel like we're very basic in this area. We have like the cleaning stuff. I love a Lazy Susan tip. Get one for under the sink. I think it's so helpful. I also just have a regular like spinning, you know, without the dividers. The dividers are helpful for little things. I find this more flexible for bigger things. This is like holding all of our bags, our cleaning stuff, all of that. I love a magic eraser. That's all under here. Our disposer is under there as well. And we have the button for it's out on the sink. In our last house, we had it under the sink, but it's actually very convenient to have it out by the faucet. Here we've got another super traditional drawer, I think, except for maybe this super playful one twisty straw we have. But it's just a regular old utensil drawer. We got the Ikea fittings for the drawers. I love that they fit exactly. So that's just where we have all of our silverware. In here, we have our one pot. Just kidding, we have more than one pan or pot. We have these down here too, and we have these for like cinnamon rolls, brownies, all that stuff. We also have more cookware and stuff down here. The old skillet, some pans. And then this is so functional next to the stove, like such an upgrade for us. This has the cutting boards, muffin tins, even like cake, like, what is that called? Not baking racks, drying rack? No, cooling rack. Maybe that's what it is for cookies. And, you know, all the oils and vinegars and stuff for by the stove, the measuring cup, if it's a hot thing. You know, all the pizza cutter, can opener stuff right there. And then actually getting a knife block, putting it on the counter was a huge help because it didn't put the burden on this drawer to have those knives as well. They get to live out on the counter. I feel like you can see our pretty backsplash tile real well right now. So you can tell that this is a hidden hood. This is like the little knobby that turns on the light in the hood. So I'll show you, this is basically a hood cabinet, but it has bonus storage in it. So we have just baking stuff. This is grilling stuff. We have a big plan actually that we've ordered a cabinet. It just isn't here yet. That's gonna go here. And it's an outdoor cabinet. We can store shoes and flip-flops and the grilling tools out there. So it's gonna free up even more space up there for, you know, we could put like 2 more big bins of whatever, maybe back stock or extra dog stuff or kid stuff or snacks, whatever. And otherwise it's like general baking stuff up here. And then you can see right here, we have things like this strainer, vitamins, woo-woo magic stuff, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil. We even have room for another shelf and another bin if we wanted. We just don't have it right now. I think the next time we're near an Ikea on a road trip or something, we might grab an extra shelf. This, you guys haven't seen it yet, but it's a very exciting bonus area of our kitchen. Didn't exist, used to be a water heater in there. There is an HVAC system right here. And we've added storage for stuff like dog food and outdoor stuff. We have like caulk and paint and a lot of random things in there along with our 2 vacuums. But that is a post for another day. We will break it down. I'll show you the rest of the closet, a full tour in the future, but that's just a little taste. And then you can see right here, even using the side of the fridge, super functional. We've got the trash can right here. It fits right along here. We didn't have room for a pull-out trash can, and we are so happy with how these all were super optimized that we're glad we didn't waste it on a trash can, and this has just been great for us. This has like all of our cooking spices, like extra spices that, I mean, quite honestly, probably could have fit in here, but it's really nice to have room for the oils and stuff and the measuring tools, and then have these right here because they're still right near the stove. It's nice to have the paper towels out. And then this entire cabinet has been so clutch. We added this built-in pantry and cabinet over the fridge. Wasn't here before. The amount of things we can store is just wild. I will just open everything up for you so you can see. So this is mostly like paper towel storage, and then we have like, you know, cookbooks and little like recipe cards right there. This is like coolers and stuff we sometimes take to the beach. And then this tin is like my big hot tip. That is our s'mores tin. We realized that we were always bringing multiple things out to make s'mores. We have a fire pit that's like right out this door. You just walk down here and go this way, and that's the fire pit. And it was like sort of a big idea. Like, we should just get a tin at the store and fill it with the things we're always carrying out there. And now we just grab the tin, and it always has like chocolate, marshmallows, graham crackers. Hot tip, try Ritz. Ritz are really good on a s'more. Andy's Mints are really good on a s'more. What are those called? Girl Scout cookies. Those like Thin Mints are really good on a s'more. So it has like our s'more supplies in there. And I know that's quirky, but it's really helpful for us. And then this cabinet, hold on, I'm gonna show you these first. So much storage. It's mostly like breakfast cereal, breads. This is like peanut butter, Nutella, jelly, all the things, pancake stuff, syrup. This is like snacks and lunch supplies for the kids, or when they make their lunches, or when we make lunch at home on the weekend. Another sort of snack. It's got all my favorite teas, nuts, stuff like that. Things to help also make lunches if they want to like put something in a bag. And then I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna step way back so you can see. This is all the stuff we have in the pantry. The upper part of it, we have the microwave, lots of storage for snacks and things, and chips and things, and excess stuff. This is like extra cereal that's not open down in this drawer. It's like back stock items. I'm not gonna get too close because there's lots of family pictures in there. And you know we like to be coy about that, but this has completely changed the game. Having this cabinet full of pantry, basically this entire thing, has been amazing. And I mean, we actually have extra space. Like once we have the grill tools out, we'll have more space up there. We have extra room in this new utility closet that we have. This is a laundry closet that's full of storage too. So it really feels like we made the most of this smallish space, and the cutest thing in the whole room is this.